under the island sun. Morning comes with a golden glow, soft island winds begin to blow. The ocean waves are calling my name. Every new day feels just the same. Barefoot walking on the sandy shore. I don't need anything more. The palm trees dance, the birds all sing. Peace and joy are everything. Slow down, take a moment, breathe. Feel the magic in the trees. Leave your worries far away. Welcome to a brighter day. Easy days under the island sun, where the heart feels free and the good times come. No rush, no fear, just a peaceful way. Living in the beauty of every day. Easy days under the island sun, where love and laughter become one. One love flowing through the sea. This island life is where I wanna be. The fishermen sail with a smile on their face, finding blessings in a simple place. Children laughing beside the bay, making memories along the way. The reggae rhythm fills the air, a feeling of freedom everywhere. The sound of waves, the warmth of the breeze, bringing comfort through the trees. No need to chase what you don't need. Happiness grows like a little seed. Every sunrise, every view brings a reason to start anew. Easy day under the island sun, where the heart feels free and the good times come. No rush, no fear, just a peaceful way. Living in the beauty of every day. Easy days under the island sun, where love and laughter become one. One love flowing through the sea. This island life is where I wanna be. When the world gets heavy and fast, I remember moments that last. The moonlight shining on the tide, the peaceful feeling deep inside. Every wave has a story to tell, every breeze has a song as well. The island teaches my heart to know, sometimes a slow life helps us grow. Let the music play, let the worries fade. Enjoy the memories we have made. The sun will rise, the stars will shine. Everything happens in perfect time. Hold on to love, hold on to peace. Let your troubled thoughts release. As the sunset paints the sky, I watch the colors floating by. With a grateful heart I sing this song, knowing this is where I belong. No riches needed, no race to run, just simple days beneath the sun. The island breeze will always say life is beautiful in its own way. the good times come. No rush, no fear, just a peaceful way, living in the beauty of every day. Easy days under the island sun, forever dancing with everyone. One love, one heart, one mark, one melody. The island sun sets my spirit free. The waves keep rolling, the palm trees sway. The island rhythm will never fade away. One love, one dream, one peaceful sea. Easy days are waiting for me. Oh, yeah. The morning sun is rising slowly, golden light across the sea. A gentle breeze is passing by me, bringing peace and harmony. I leave my worries on the shoreline, let the ocean take them away. With a grateful heart I'm smiling, welcoming another day. Take it easy, breathe it in, let a peaceful life begin. Feel the rhythm of the tide, let the waves become your guide. Peaceful heart, gentle waves, a little paradise my soul craves. Where the ocean meets the sky, I feel my spirit learn to fly. Peaceful heart, gentle waves, a simple life is all I need. One love flowing endlessly, like the rivers to the sea. Palm trees dancing in the sunlight, moving softly with the breeze. The reggae rhythm fills the island, floating through the coconut trees. Fishermen return with blessings, children laugh along the shore. Every little thing reminds me life is worth so much more. No need to hurry, no need to race, just find your calm and find your place. Every moment, every day has a little joy to give away. Peaceful heart, gentle waves, a little paradise my soul craves. Where the ocean meets the sky, I feel my spirit learn to fly. Peaceful heart, gentle waves, a simple life is all I need. yeah. I give thanks for every blessing, for the beauty everywhere. The island breeze keeps reminding there is beauty in the simple things. A peaceful heart will always find the joy that every new day brings. Peaceful heart, gentle waves, a love and calm that always stays through every season, through every tide. Peace will always be my guide. Peaceful heart, gentle waves, forever free beneath the sky. One love, one heart, one melody. The ocean lives inside of me. The waves keep whispering softly, the palm trees sway so slow. A peaceful heart has found its home where gentle waters flow. One love, one dream, one sea, forever living peacefully. The morning sun is calling my name. A golden sky is lighting the way. The ocean sparkles like a dream. Life is sweeter by the sea. I feel the breeze upon my face, carrying me to a peaceful place. The palm trees dance, the waves roll free. A little paradise is waiting for me. Leave the worries far behind. Open up your heart and mind. Feel the rhythm, feel the flow. Let the island spirit grow. Chasing the golden island breeze, floating gently through the trees. Where the sun and ocean meet, life feels calm and complete. Chasing the golden island breeze, finding joy in simple things. One love shining endlessly. The island breeze is carrying me. The fishermen sing their morning song, knowing where their hearts belong. Children laughing near the shore, finding happiness in something more. The reggae rhythm fills the air, a peaceful feeling everywhere. No need to rush, no need to run, just living beneath the island sun. Every wave tells a story true, every sky brings something new. Take a moment, breathe it in, let a brighter day begin. Chasing the golden island breeze, floating gently sunset paints the sky in gold, a beautiful story being told. I close my eyes and feel the sound of paradise all around. With grateful heart I sing along to the island's endless song. Wherever life may carry me, this golden breeze stays inside of me. Chasing the golden island breeze, moving gently through the trees. With the ocean by my side, I find peace within the tide. Chasing the golden island breeze, forever feeling wild and free. One love, one heart, one melody. The island breeze belongs to me. The waves keep rolling, the palm trees sway. The golden light will never fade away. One love, one dream, one peaceful sea. The island breeze will always carry me. Hear me. Slow life by the ocean blue. The morning sun is rising gently, painting gold across the sea. The ocean breeze is softly calling, bringing peace and harmony. Barefoot walking on the shoreline, feeling every step I take. No need to hurry, no need to worry. This is the life I want to make. Slow down, listen to the waves, find the peace your heart still craves. Let the rhythm guide your soul, feel the love that makes you whole. Slow life by the ocean blue, where the sky is bright and true. Every wave and every breeze brings a little joy to me. Slow life by the ocean blue, a peaceful dream I'm living through. One love flowing endlessly, like the tide across the sea. Palm trees dancing in the sunshine, moving gently with the air. The reggae rhythm fills the island, a feeling beyond compare. The fishermen are smiling brightly as they sail across the bay, finding blessings in the simple, beautiful moments of the day. Leave the worries far away, welcome to a brighter day. Every sunrise brings a sign that everything will be alright. Slow life by the ocean blue, where the sky is bright and true. Every wave and every breeze brings a little joy to me. Slow life by the ocean blue, a peaceful dream I'm living through. One love flowing endlessly, like the tide across the sea. When the world is moving faster and the noise is everywhere, I return to ocean mornings, where I find my quiet prayer. The moonlight dances on the water, stars are shining from above. love. Like the waves that keep on moving, like the sun that starts the day. There is beauty in the journey when we slow down on the way. Hold on to the little moments, let your spirit breathe and grow. The ocean has a simple lesson: peace is all we need to know. Sunset paints the horizon. I give thanks for what I see. A simple life beside the ocean is the greatest gift to me. No treasure could be any greater than the calm within my heart. The ocean blue will keep reminding, peace is where the journey starts. Slow life by the ocean blue, where my dreams feel fresh and new. Every wave and every breeze brings my heart a little peace. Slow life by the ocean blue, forever grateful, forever true. One love, one heart, one melody. The ocean sets my spirit free. The waves keep rolling softly, the palm trees sway so slow. I found a place my heart belongs, where peaceful waters flow. One love, one dream, one sea. Slow life forever with me. Whoa, good vibes and summer skies, yeah. The sun is shining on a brand new day, golden colors lighting up the way. The ocean breeze is dancing through the trees, bringing sweet freedom on the breeze. Barefoot steps along the sandy shore, feeling happiness like never before. The reggae rhythm starts to play, taking all my worries away. Leave your troubles far behind, open up your heart and mind. Feel the sunshine, feel the flow, let the island spirit grow. Good vibes and summer skies, peace and joy in my heart arise. Every wave and every breeze brings a little more harmony. Good vibes and summer skies, beautiful moments before my eyes. One love shining endlessly, living life beside the sea. Palm trees moving with the island sound, positive energy all around. Friends together, laughter in the air, simple blessings everywhere. The fishermen return with a smile, enjoying every little mile. No need to chase what cannot stay, just celebrate another day. Slow down and enjoy the ride, let happiness be your guide. Every sunrise, every night, beside the sea. When the world gets loud and busy, I'll remember the ocean sound, the peaceful waves, the island breeze, the calm that can always be found. The moon will rise above the water, stars will paint the evening view. Every day is a little blessing when you see the beauty around you. Let the music lift your spirit, let the rhythm set you free. Hold on to love and kindness, that's the way life should be. Storms may come and skies may change, but joy will always remain. Like the summer sun returning, hope will shine again. Another beautiful day is ending, another memory to hold. With a grateful heart I'm singing for the blessings I can see. The summer sky keeps reminding life is meant to be lived free. Good vibes and summer skies, a peaceful keep this feeling all my life. Oh, yeah. Where the palm trees whisper, the morning sun is touching the water, golden rays across the sea. The gentle breeze is moving slowly, bringing peace and calm to me. Palm trees sway above the shoreline, sharing secrets with the air. Every leaf is singing softly, like a song beyond compare. Close your eyes and feel the moment. Let the island take you away. Leave your worries with the ocean. Welcome to a brighter day, where the palm trees whisper and the ocean sings along, where the heart feels lighter and the soul finds its song, where the palm trees whisper underneath the endless sky. One love flowing Fishermen are out at sunrise, chasing dreams across the blue. Children laughing by the shoreline, finding joy in all they do. The reggae rhythm fills the island, moving softly through the trees. Every sound becomes a blessing, carried gently by the breeze. Take your time and breathe the beauty. Feel the magic all around. In the silence of the island, true peace can always be found. Oh, where the palm trees whisper and the ocean sings along, where the heart feels lighter and the soul finds its song. Where the palm trees whisper underneath the endless sky, one love flowing through the rhythm as the gentle waves roll by. When the world begins to hurry and the days become too fast, I remember island mornings and the peaceful moments that last. The moonlight dances on the water, stars are shining from above. The palm trees keep on whispering songs of peace and endless love. Like the wind that moves the branches, like the tide that finds the shore, life is filled with little blessings waiting for us to explore. Hold on to simple treasures, keep your heart open and free. The greatest joys are often found in the quiet things we see. Oh, oh, hey, hey. As the sunset paints the island with the golden glow and light, I feel thankful for this moment, for this peaceful paradise, where the waves meet the horizon, where the stars begin to shine. The palm trees keep reminding me that this world is so divine. Where the palm trees whisper, I can finally breathe again. Where the ocean brings me comfort and the sunshine feels like a friend. Where the palm trees whisper, forever calling me. One love, one heart, one melody, living beside the sea. The breeze keeps softly singing, the waves keep rolling free. The palm trees hold the memories of a peaceful life by the sea. One love, one dream, one song. Where the palm trees whisper,